Good morning, everybody. Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is April 3rd. It is Monday, 2023. So I got some gifts in the mail, and so I wanted to show you what I got. And we're going to kind of do this in sequence here. So the one here that I got, and I will show you this here. I don't remember exactly who sent it, and I do apologize. But I will start getting flags up here as well. This is a pretty big flag. United States Air Force. Okay. So that one, I don't remember who sent that one, and I apologize for that ahead of time. But I definitely will get that flag up and flying. That just means that the rest of you guys got to step up there. I'm going to need an Army flag, I'm going to need a Navy flag, and I'm going to need a Marine flag. And so that was one of the things that came. This one I know, hold on a second, let me just look at Mr. Bean, Brian Bean, sent these from California. So it's a book on Vikings, okay, because he knows I like Vikings. Motorcycle maintenance, and then Big Business and Hitler. So there's 3 different books that he had sent out. So thank you very much, Brian, for those. Now, what we got here, and I'm going to read these, and these came from, I'm going to read this letter. This is Ari Gold sent this. It says, "Thank you, Prepper Nurse 1, for the content you provide to our community. You are a true hero." I don't agree with that, but thank you very much. I do appreciate that. Over the past year, I wrote a book, 925 Thrift, a guide to help the average person find silver at discount prices before the masses catch up. It's a beginner's guide to providing clear, step-by-step instructions of tracking down, identifying, and purchasing silver that's all around us, but still unnoticed by 99% of the people. Okay, so what he has done with this, he had sent 2, and he signed them, signed both of these ones. Okay, so one is for me, and the other one's for a giveaway. And then after he sent that, then he sent 4 more in packages ready to be shipped. I don't know if he signed these ones or not. He did. Okay. Alright. So I will be doing, so it's just a guide. It's got some pictures in there. And so I will be doing giveaways with these. Okay. So I got, and you've got the packages here for that. So that will be happening. Okay. And let's see what he said in this one. Alright. So I'm sorry that I haven't done this sooner. I apologize. It's just been a little crazy. Such an honor to be mentioned on your YouTube channel. I hope my guide helps some of you of your followers in the community prepping for what's ahead. Again, he says you're a true hero. Again, I appreciate that, but I don't consider myself a hero. Very much appreciate all that you give. So this is RG Gold, guys. Okay, so there's 4 more books there. So one of these are for me, and I'll show you that again here. Okay, and we'll look in there real quick and just show you. So he's got a lot of good information in there, and so definitely check that out. So obviously that's not just about coins, it's other things as well. Now, what we got here, I got to read the note with this too. Cream possum, the sweetest potatoes, garnish, and corn fat gravy. Alright. Hello, welcome to the holler. We sent you a complimentary gift. Our motto is never throw away anything. Most items are recycled for some practical use or eaten. Happy spring. This is Big Jim in Big Jim going to Suck Creek. Okay, well, I'm hoping for goodness sake that the tail's still in there, Big Jim, because that looks delicious. Obviously, that's a joke, guys. So thank you, Big Jim, for that. That's actually very funny. Do appreciate that. The next thing I have here, this is another flag, and this is hey Ed, Sherry, the organic pet lady from YouTube, Pet Pep Radio Show handle. I remember you talking about flags. Since I am also German descent, I thought I'd send you one. Okay, so I'm going to open up this one. And thank you very much for this. I do appreciate it. Again, guys, just like when I was in New York, I plan on doing flags down here. I'm going to have to get something to open that up with. Oh, no, here we go. For a second, I was like, I'm going to have to get something to cut that. Alright, so let us take a look. There we go. German flag. Okay? Very cool. Thank you very much for that. It's very much appreciated. And I will be very shortly getting... I'm going to be working on some other projects because the decision has been made with the road. I'm going to talk about that in a second. So there's that. And then last but not least... Okay, this is, hey, at Doll's Homestead. This is jewelweed soap. Jewelweed soap is, it cleans like poison ivy, poison sumac, relieves the sting from the bug bites as well. I make this and sell it wholesale. It neutralizes the poison ivy, relieves the itch, works immediately. Good stuff. Jewelweed is an important flower that grows wild next to poison ivy. The Native Americans use jewelweed for insect bites, stings, poison oak, poison ivy, poison sumac. After exposed to poison ivy, wash off with this, and you won't realize you've been exposed. And once a rash appears, wash it, and it will go away. Works fast, fast, fast. Okay, so let me show you that. And here is a bar of the jewelweed soap that she made. I don't know if she's got a, let's see. Well, I don't know if she has a website or not. But whether she makes it and sells it wholesale. That is Dowell's Homestead, guys. So definitely try to check that out if you are interested in getting some of that jewelweed soap. I will definitely use this, thank you, because we do have plenty of poison ivy and poison oak and everything else around here. And so I'm actually stick that in there. I'm going to keep this out. But so first of all, thank you everybody who said something. I do appreciate that. It's very thoughtful, and thank you very much. Again, I'm going to start putting flags up around here again, so I will be getting those up soon. So if you would like a flag of your heritage, of your country that you grew up in, I have no problem with that. And thank you for doing so. I really appreciate that. And you P.O. Box is in the description, so definitely check that out. Okay. Anyway, moving forward, I was going to tell you really quickly about the road. We've been having discussion with several different group members, and we have made the decision that the best way to get the rest of that road gravel in that's up on top is to go ahead and rent a Bobcat. So when everybody comes down here in a couple weeks, well, less than a couple weeks now, but when everybody comes down, we are going to rent a Bobcat, and we're going to get all that stone from up on top and down into the road. And then hopefully moving forward, we will get the gravel guy coming in and have him doing, you know, spreading it out that way as things dry out. So that's the game plan for that. It's been a lot of work. Real happy with what we've gotten done. We really needed to do it the way we did it for right now, just because it was so bad and something had to be done. But so that's what's going on with that. Anyway, guys, I have other things that I do want to work on down here as well, so that's what I'm going to start focusing on. I hope everybody's having a good day. I hope you guys are having a good start to your week. Remember, folks, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much, much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, Step Thing and Day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goal is you. That's it. Nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. Alright? I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.